Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set contact photo in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, go to call button here and go to contacts. Okay, go to contacts and here select any contact for which you would like to set a photo. Here I would like to set a photo for this contact Through Prints. Already one photo is available, so I want to change this photo to another one. Okay, if you have not set any photo, just now you can set a fresh photo. Okay, otherwise you can change photo. Okay, now click on this edit symbol and here click on change photo and click on select new photo here and click on just once, and here select a photo from your gallery and that will be set as the contact photo. Okay, I am selecting this photo and click on save copy and yes, click on save finally. Now see the changes. Yes, contact photo has been added. Okay, so in this way you can easily set a contact photo for your contact, any contact. Okay, suppose if you have not set contact for this contact, I have not set any photo previously, so only letters is showing. Click on this button and click on add photo and click on take photo. Take photo means it will take a photo from your camera. Okay, and click. You can also take selfie photo if you needed to do it, and click on save copy and yes, see the changes. Okay, click on save finally. So in this way you can easily set contact photo in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.